Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to set up, use, and connect your Apple AirPods out of the box. It's relatively straightforward, so I just took these out of the box. I actually wasn't entirely sure if these came with the Apple USB charger. They do. You just need to make sure that you lift up this portion of the packaging and they will be wrapped around this area. So if you're having trouble finding that USB charger cable, that is the area that it'll be in. But you actually don't even have to charge these before using them initially. So I'll walk you first through the instructions on how to connect them to an Apple device. I don't have an Apple device, so then after that, I'll show you specifically how to connect it with other devices, and in this example, it's going to be my Android phone. So starting off here, for Apple devices, step one, it says turn on Bluetooth with your iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi, and again, turn on that Bluetooth. That's step one. Step two, you want to open up the case for your Apple AirPods, hold near the unlocked iPhone, then follow the on-screen instructions. And then the final step is start listening. So place the AirPods in your ears and adjust until you hear the tone. AirPods should be ready to play at that point in time. Now, if you're setting these up with a different device, such as an Android phone, it's not all that complicated. So taking the AirPod case, open it up, turn it around, and click this little button right here, hold it down. And that should put this in pairing mode. So then once you're at that point, then you need to go over to your phone. All right, guys, so now I'm over on my phone, and to open up the Bluetooth settings, just grab the top of the screen and drag it down, and then click on the little gear settings button, and then click on where it says Bluetooth and device connection, and then make sure that Bluetooth is toggled to the on position, and then click right where it says Bluetooth, and then click Pair New Device, and wait until AirPods shows up on the screen. And as long as the AirPods, the case is open and the light is blinking, it should be in pairing mode. So you can see that I have AirPods now on my screen, so I'll select that. And then it's going to go through the pairing process. And then I'm going to click Pair. And it is now in my active paired devices in my Bluetooth settings. So I should be set up and ready to go at this point in time. So now I'll take you back over and walk you through the final steps here. All right, guys, so as soon as these successfully paired, the light stopped blinking and they turned green for a short period of time. They're no longer green right now, but they are set up and paired and ready to go with my device. So then there's only a few other things that they talk about here. So for controlling AirPods, double tap the AirPods to play or skip forward whatever you're listening to. You can also say, "Hey Siri," to do specific things like play a song or make a call or get directions, things like that. Check on charge status. The light will show the charge status of the AirPods when they're in the case. Otherwise, the light shows the charge status of the case itself. So that would be when the AirPods are out of the case. And they're fully charged when the light is green. And when it's an orangish color, it will be not fully charged at that point in time. And of course, to charge your AirPods, just make sure that they are in the case. And then to charge the case itself, hook it up with that USB connection, and that should charge the case itself. So those are all of the different instructions that we have here with our AirPods. I hope this was helpful getting you guys set up and ready to go with your AirPods out of the box. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing for more, and I'll catch you guys next time.